Lately, espresso machines seem to be getting bulkier, more advanced, and filled with extra features. But there's one Swiss brand that's taking a completely different route. I recently had the chance to test out the Zuriga E2-S, and I have to say, this little machine completely caught me off guard. Let's start with talking about the design of the machine. This thing is tiny. I compared it to my Espresso Steel Duo, and it's around half the size of it. So if you don't have a lot of space in your kitchen, this machine could be your perfect choice. The machine weighs around 9.5 kilograms, so it's just a little more heavier than my cat. But does its size limit its performance? That's what I wanted to find out. And for a machine at this price, expectations are high. The Zuriga E2-S costs around 1,900 euros, so it's definitely not cheap. Zuriga's philosophy is all about simplicity. The materials feel premium. The whole machine is made out of metal. What's very surprising, in a good way, is that they use glass for the water tank. You don't see that very often in espresso machines. It fits 700 milliliters of water, and the cover of the water tank is made out of wood. No unnecessary extras, just well thought out functionality. You can tell that they really cared about the design and keeping the machine as compact as possible. Just look at the way they've incorporated the power socket into the base of the machine. This way, there's no annoying cable standing out of the machine. With some machines, the cable sticks out a few centimeters, not with this little powerhouse. The craftsmanship is impressive and every part feels premium. The color of the machine is what I would call a vintage yellow, and personally I think it looks awesome. They do have another matte black color option in case you prefer it this way though. The machine comes with a 58mm portafilter with a wooden handle, an 18 grams double shot basket and a double spout. They also include a single shot basket and a single spouted outlet, but I never use these two accessories. Oh, and there is also a milk pitcher and a tamper with a wooden handle included. The tamper has a pretty good weight and I really like to use it. The drip tray cover is made out of metal and the drip tray itself is made of plastic. It is easily accessible and pretty convenient to empty and put it back in again. Because of the machine size, you have to empty the drip tray pretty often, but that wasn't a big problem for me. Let's talk about performance. The Zuriga E2-S doesn't use a classic boiler, but instead it uses a fast-through heater. It heats up in just 1.5 minutes, so it's super fast. If you let a blank shot run through for around 10 seconds, the machine is ready to use in just under 2 minutes. That is just awesome. The machine is factory set to exactly 93 degrees Celsius and cannot be changed afterwards. This may sound like a disadvantage at first, but it also has one big advantage. The temperature is extremely stable and hardly differs from the set 93 degrees at all, so you don't have to worry about offset calibration or any other settings. Enough facts, let's make an espresso. I am currently using Zuriga's G2 grind-by-weight grinder. I will film a separate review soon. First, I will grind 18 grams of coffee. The grinder automatically weighs 18 grams of coffee, which is incredibly convenient and works extremely well. If you like the video so far and you are also interested in a separate review of Zuriga's grinder, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Now I am using my WDT tool and the tamper that comes with the machine. Perfect. Now I just lock the portafilter in and finally pull the espresso. Look at how creamy the espresso is coming out. The machine uses 9 bars of pressure and it always delivers great results. I mean, the crema is out of this world. Let me try it. Awesome. Now let's talk about milk steaming. The steam wand operates using a separate heating element that boosts water from 93 degrees Celsius to 130 degrees Celsius instantly. This means you can seamlessly switch between brewing and steaming without waiting, something very rare in a machine this compact. The cool thing is, you just have to turn the steam wand, and then the buttons light up in an orange color. This indicates that you are operating the steam. Now I'm going to make 2 beautiful cappuccinos because I want to show you how the steam wand works. For this, I am grinding 18 grams of coffee again. Then I use the WDT tool and the tamper again. Now I am pulling the shot, which I will show you again because of how beautiful it is. I mean, just look at the result. I wish you could smell this. Awesome. I turn the steam wand to the outside and now I just have to push the lower button and the steam starts to come out. The performance? Impressive. It produces smooth microfoam that's perfect for latte art. I feel like it has more power than my Espresso Steel Duo PID, which is very impressive considering the size difference. I will try my best to pour some beautiful latte art. As you can see, the milk is very silky and it's great to do latte art, even though I am not the best at it. So, is the Zuriga E2-S flawless? Not entirely, but it comes close. One of the standout features is its incredibly fast heat-up time. It's ready to brew in just 2 minutes, which is perfect for those who don't want to wait around for their morning espresso. The design is sleek and minimalist, with a clean and modern aesthetic that fits seamlessly into any kitchen setup. It's built exceptionally well, with high-quality materials that make it feel premium and durable, despite its compact size, which makes it ideal for smaller kitchens or limited counter space. The machine's performance is amazing. Speaking of performance, the espresso quality is fantastic, and the milk steaming is surprisingly powerful, allowing you to create great microfoam for lattes and cappuccinos. And lastly, it has energy efficiency class A, which means that the machine is very energy efficient. There are also some negatives about the machine. First, there's no built-in shot timer, which means you'll need to use an external timer or go by feel when pulling your shots. Another thing to note is that there's no way to adjust the temperature. While the machine is designed to work well with most coffees, having that extra control would still be nice. And finally, the price at around 1,900 euros. This is definitely a premium machine. At first glance, the price might seem steep for such a small machine, but what you're really paying for is precision, efficiency, and Swiss engineering. This is a thoughtfully designed, high-performance espresso machine in a compact form factor. If you want a simple yet powerful machine that delivers high-quality espresso without unnecessary complications, the Zuriga E2-S is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments. What are your thoughts on this machine? Would you get one? And don't forget to like and subscribe for more coffee content. See you next time.